Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a birthday video using Canva. First, open Canva and search for birthday video templates. You'll find many options. Select a template that catches your eye and fits the birthday person style. This is your starting point for a personalized video. Now it's time to add your personal touch. Upload all your cherished photos and short video clips directly into Canva. Simply drag and drop them into the template's designated spots. You can easily rearrange the order and adjust the duration of each photo or video to tell your story perfectly. Next, make your message clear and heartfelt. Add custom text, like Happy Birthday or a special message, choosing from many fonts. Then, pick the perfect background music from Canva's extensive audio library to set the mood. Don't forget to add fun animations and smooth transitions between your video scenes. Before sharing, always preview your complete birthday video to ensure everything looks just right. Watch it through to catch any small adjustments needed for timing or effects. Once you're happy, download your finished video in a high-quality format, ready to share with the birthday celebrant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.